Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be checking out another screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. This one here is a soft TPU. It is a full coverage screen protector which will cover entirely your Watch 4. So this is what it comes with, guys. You do have the black and clear package. They do have other colors as well if you want a different combination. But this is the one that I chose since I have the white and silver Galaxy Watch 4 with me here. So let's open this up and see what this thing looks like. And we're gonna see what kind of protection it will give us as well, just to make sure that, this is what we're getting, right? We wanted a full coverage just to, make sure to protect our investment. Let's go with the black color first and see what this thing looks like on the black and silver Watch 4. We'll put this one on the side for now. And here we go. Let's open them together and then we'll go from there. All right, so this is made of soft TPU. As you can see, you can easily bend this. All right, easily bendable. And of course, it will protect your watch screen display in the side and the arm part of the watch. And it looks like, I don't know, I thought there's a coverage. Okay, so you do have your screen protector as well. Okay, so let's put this on my watch and see what this thing looks like. Like again, let's go for the black one first on black Watch 4. So this is quite easily to install, guys. You just pretty much literally just snap it on top. I do have a tempered screen protector on my Watch 4, so this should not be an issue. As you can see from here, you just snap it on. You don't even have to remove the strap at all. And just make sure that it's nice and tight in there. Just push all those the corners so that it will fully cover your arm. It does fit with the tempered glass, as you can see, but I think without the tempered glass it might be a perfect fit, because right now it seems like it's not fitting properly on it. Like I have to push the back portion of it to make sure that it fits or it snaps on. So it might be an issue if you do have a tempered glass screen protector. But if you do have what is that one? The thin version, what is that? The non-tempered glass screen protector, this thing should work perfectly fine. Don't bother, don't put the tempered glass screen protector, guys. If you do have one right now, just remove it and just go with this one. So here it is, guys. See, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it blends very well on the watch. You don't even realize that you do have the screen protector on this Watch 4. Okay, and of course, when it comes to navigation, you can still navigate the bezel. See, as you can see, guys, it is coming off now. It's coming off from the body because of the tempered glass screen protector. So you definitely want to remove that. If you do have a tempered screen protector, just get rid of it, because this thing will not fully stay on your Watch 4. As you can see, it is coming out now. And I put on the side here so you guys can really see what I mean. It's coming off from the body. It's lifting right there. So we're gonna try this on the silver Watch 4, since that one doesn't have any screen protector on the screen display. So this should fit perfectly well and stay in place. Okay, let me just snap it on the back here. Okay, so there you go, guys. Oops, there goes my watch bands. Okay, so this one, it does stick stick on the watch much better than the other one. As you can see, it's not bowing anymore. The top portion there, it's not bowing coming off from the body. It works very well, and it just makes your watch 4 look completely different. If you decide to go for the black color, you know, and go for a different color instead of a silver, now you have a completely black watch 4. Okay, so I don't know, we'll go through again the navigation right here, guys. As you can see, it works perfectly well. It doesn't hinder the functionality of the screen, of the bezel navigation. Okay, so it works very, very well, guys. Okay, so let's put this on my wrist just to show you guys what it looks like. I kind of noticed that the screen display, the case protector, is kind of moving on from the body of the watch 4. It looks like this is not well made. It is bowing, as you can see from there on the front of the watch. It is seemingly like it's trying to come off. It's not trying to stay on place. And if I do take this off, you can see that the back portion, it did move. So you can see right there, the arm of the watch, the screen protector did come off from it. So it seems like this product is not properly made, guys. As you can see here, I have to push it back again to make sure that it stays on place. And whenever you move, or when you have this for several minutes, it will start moving out of the watch, of the body. So kind of disappointed, guys. You know, I wanted this video to work out and make sure that, you know, it's a good product for you guys to purchase. But it looks like this is not a great product, guys. Usually I don't really say that, so that, you know, I don't want to damage any company, what they're selling. But, you know, I'm a real reviewer, guys. Basically, you know, I purchased this with my own money, and I have to tell the truth if it's a good product or not. But in this case, this is not a product that I highly recommended. Okay, so really disappointed, guys. I was really looking forward for this product, but as you can see, let's try the clear one and see if this thing is okay compared to the black one. Okay, so you want to push it back. So right there, it's supposed to be nice and snug on the back so that it stays on place, but for some reason it moves. So this one, okay, let's give it a couple of minutes and see if this thing moves around. Well, compared to the black one, as you can see, this one fits very well. But again, let's give it a few minutes or so and see how it stays on the watch body. Okay, so this is the clear one. As you can see, it's very nice. Covers the entire watch 4, guys. It literally protects it. And this one, you know, it's nice and clear. You can see everything. And once again, I do notice that it's starting to move. The screen display portion is starting to lift up. And if we do look in the back here, on the back, we're gonna take a look if there's any movement or anything. Okay, so this one is staying on the watch 4's body. It's not moving or shifting to the side. So I don't know, maybe this one, the black one, or some sort of something, this one is probably defective. It's not staying properly on the body. So the white one, as you can see, it's still intact, guys. Okay, it's still intact on the back. It's not moving. Okay, so if you do decide to purchase this, try to purchase the clear one, guys, or maybe try it for yourself and see if the black one is okay with you guys. Maybe the one that I've got here is defective, which is just a wrong timing for the company to send this one out for me, not realizing that, you know, there's folks out there that actually review cases. So I take that back. The one that I got here is pretty much a defective one. Who knows, maybe the ones that they will send you out one will be a much better quality than the one that I've got here. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Not the product that we expected it to be, but you know, this is how it is when it comes to my channel. I review raw on the spot. I tell the truth if it's good or not, but you know, usually I don't really try to bash the company or, you know, tell you guys to stay away from this product. But it's up to you guys, you know. If you want to give it a try, go give it a try. The links will be down below. And if you guys have any other questions or other products that you want me to review, just give me a shout out and I'll definitely try to purchase them and do a review. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.